I work for cities, counties, school districts, and townships in 5 counties, rural, very rural counties in western Minnesota. In the last year, we have been working under our contract with the U.S. Department of Commerce and Economic Development Administration, putting together a comprehensive economic development strategy. That said, one of the issues that we brought out and talked to our elected officials about, county commissioners, city council people, EDA people, lots of different elected officials, was where's the importance of broadband? And we were, frankly, really scared after we heard the results. We have a lot of our, not all, but many of our elected officials, it's not on the radar screen. They're really concerned about fixing their roads, they're fixing their sewer and water to their communities, doing those other essential sort of services. And as we talk to them as staff and as community developers and economic developers, we asked a lot of prodding questions about that, and it's really not on the radar screen. So that was really concerning to us. Secondarily, as we look as our role in assisting those counties and cities in doing community development, we find it's an essential issue for our rural America. And we felt everybody says that technology is going to save rural areas, and it's really creating a digital divide. It's really a digital drop-off in certain areas. We have a 5-county area, a hodgepodge of services, not unlike probably most people in the room. A lot of areas are still dial-up. We have people who say, I can get on the internet, I can send an email. And it's like, well, that's not really what we're talking about. We're concerned about, we have a high percentage of elderly in our 5 counties. It's a critical issue to keep those people in their home, to be able to provide access, follow-up, medical treatment, home health care is critical. Education is critical. Our students are going to school, leaving and not coming back. We need to create opportunities for them to experience other places, and when they do go off to college or another career somewhere else, and they learn of other opportunities using technology, we have to let them know that those same opportunities exist in our region. We have lots of small businesses, whether they're telephone providers or mom and pop businesses up and down Main Street. They need to know how they can use technology to keep their business sustainable, and so we can continue to have a vibrant small community. And so there's so many pieces, and I think you've all addressed it very well, and I'm pleased to see such passionate and diverse representation on the committee, and I hope you do a good job. I echo what Chris said in terms of what the state could do. There are lots of programs out there, both local, state, and federal, that can help fix infrastructure. Department of Deed and Department of Commerce, Department of Labor. There's lots of places that have USDA that have programs to fix water, sewer, streets. We need to ensure that they include broadband in their qualifications. We need to make sure that there's a statewide broadband policy. We need to ensure that there's opportunities to get low interest loans or other financial incentives to ensure that everybody has access.